Hello everyone, this is Joe Bartlett with Joe Talks, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Celestron lens kit. So this is a add-on set of eyepieces that you can get for a Celestron telescope, and these fit the 1 1/4 eyepiece. And so this is the box that it came in, and this is exactly how Amazon delivered it. So you can see there's packing labels on the outside. On the outside of the box, it clearly says Celestron on it, so porch pirates are going to know that this is probably something of reasonable value. So be careful when you take delivery of this. Don't leave it out on your porch for too long. So with that said, let's go ahead and get it open. I haven't even cut any of the tape or anything, so like I said, this is exactly how I received it. So, So as usual, we have a box within a box. So there is the Celestron kit. We'll go ahead and open it up. Does not have any security tape on it, so there would be no way to tell if anyone's been in this box. Um, so we have instruction manual, one sheet. And then it comes in a nice plastic hard case. Open it up and see what we have. Okay, so we have a cloth, a cleaning cloth, a desiccant, and here we have all four of the eyepieces. So we have a 15 millimeter eyepiece. This is the Barlow lens, the 2X Barlow lens, a 6 millimeter eyepiece, and then there is a moon filter, and then a couple of other filters, color filters. Looks like one red and one blue. So that is how they come in the box. Okay, that's it. Alright, thank you.